Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about local inventory ads. You can also read the article provided in Google Help Center as it shows pick up today in store means it is available in physical store, and it is also showing pick up later for shopping ads and for local inventory ads, and it is available in these countries. Now I will search for bicycle. Google will display different listings and ads. As you can see, this product is in stock means it is available in physical store. And next we can see this product shows amazon.com, it means it is available online and it is available near my location. Next I will click on nearby. These are the different practices of Google. Let me search for bicycle near me. Did you mean bicycle near me? Yeah, click on it. So it will display the location and map, and here down there it will display different products that are in which there are different discount offers are ongoing. And if I click on available near my, as I have changed the IP to USA, so it has displayed the products accordingly. These products are available in Walmart store, and here comes another store along with its directions. It is also providing the pickup service. These ads will be in trending in future. It is not that familiar in Asian market. They are running the search ads only. Shopping ads are more advanced and user-friendly method anyone can manage. We simply have to make a business profile. After that we have to verify that profile. Also add the location of your business, and this is how the business profile looks. This is the overview of the business profile. And if I search something like, let me search electricians near me, so it will provide the information according to Google's IP address. We will do the same thing in our e-commerce store. For this we will move back to our app. I have a client in Google business account, and I have made this for him. It displays his complete address, and yes, store code is not available. Sometimes you have to edit it. So here is their merchant center. I have settled the free local product listings and local inventory ads. For running local ads you have to enable this, otherwise for free listings you can go with free local product listing. So now I have to go local ads. Let me click on it. Here it says upload a logo. First of all, in settings we have to move to Google linked account and attach the business profile over here. I have hidden my information as my information is quite personal. I don't want to display it over here. So for now our all program has been enabled. Next let me click on it. This client is from India. It requires some actions like upload a product feed and upload a local inventory feed. We will do it both ways, primary and locally. After that we will go for the verification with our email and personal information. Also it will take some time for verification. After that you will be able to run local inventory ads. As Google has a proper strategy for verification, like their team may call or message you, or it may also do a survey. Google have some strict rules regarding to this, so it is more suitable for brands and physical store owners because it requires physical appearance. If we have a look on it, these two things are required over here. You have got the idea what is local product feed and local inventory feed and how to create it feed. If we move to products, click on feed. It shows content API language. Here you can see The language is English and target country is India. We can add the local inventory feed from here. It provides both ways. Our method is different. We use content API. Now let's move to our app. In our more options, you will see the option of local inventory. Click on dashboard. It will in your feed you will see it is for online store and local inventory. Go for the physical existing store. So for this we have to create a primary feed or local inventory ads. This one is only primary feed, but it is for sales channel like Google, YouTube, and for local inventory they have made another way. Let me create a new feed with the same procedure. Previously we don't have these features, like it shows the channel settings. Now we can choose the local, and we are going with the free shipping. Here we have to write our feed name. I will go with the SKUs. The rest of the information will remain same, and here I have to select the age group, default gender, as it is a sport based, so I will go with the unisex. And here you can see our channel is local. Next you can see the customization. Let me move to merchant center. It will show two types of primary feed. Let me move to the merchant center. It will show two type of primary feed. Both of these are going with content API, but this one is made for local products. If we click on products, it will display the products, or you can also apply any filter, like I will apply local. It is showing the same error as the data is not matched yet. It is only a primary feed. Local inventory is not yet received. For getting the local inventory, let's move back to the app. Click on more options, local inventory. Here create local inventory feed. Here we have to write the name of the feed. Select your primary feed, inventory feed. Store code is required. We have to copy it from our Google business profile. Make sure all the data must be accurate. First your business profile must be attached with the merchant center and verified. After that you have to add the availability of your product, and then we have to adjust the starting and ending date. Next you have to enable sale price. Click on learn more. Here you can get a complete guide provided by Google. Sale price. For pickup method you can click on learn more. Here you can see optional store pickup details, buy, reserve, ship to store, not spotted. So there are the options or the proper method provided over here. We have to follow this. And ship to store means the item is purchased online and shipped to local store. Same day, next day, 2-day or 3-day picking option. So pickup method is ship to store, and pickup SLA is same day. Now our setting is done for the local inventory feed. Let's create it. Here we go, as we have too much data. It will definitely take some time for processing. See you after a while. Welcome back. As you can see, our local inventory has been updated. Let's move to the merchant center to see our data is updated or not. Let me click on feeds. Here we have to click on local inventory. You can also go with this product. Let me open the products. You can also apply filter. Now let me open any product. Here is the product, and these are the item issues. It doesn't show the quantity of the product. Let me open another product. I will apply the filter. Let me open this one. Yeah, it shows the quantity. It also shows the data source method is API, and here is the store code. And here is the store address. It shows the unverified status, and we have to solve it. These are the item status. So the last step is remaining, that is unverified. Wait for the Google to verify your inventory. Once Google verify your account, all the warnings will be disappear. For this you have to move to manage program. These are the programs: local inventory and free product listings. I have mentioned the steps previously, that first of all you have to connect your business manager. After that you have to upload the feeds. After this you have to add the information details. This was all about the free local listing program. Next you have local inventory. Next you have the local inventory program. You have to update these fields and request for inventory verification. So today we have learned how to create local inventory. You can also read the complete guide provided by Google. In a nutshell, you can say you have to create a primary feed, local product inventory feed, and register and submit the local feeds. And here you have to verify your about page. Next, request inventory verification. So these are the steps you have to follow. And here comes the question, why our product is not displayed over here. Basically our feed is primary. We have adopted the primary method. We are making the primary feed. We are not making the supplement. If we create the supplementary feed, it will display like this. Language will be English, and here we have to write your feed name. You can write any name. This is not an API method, as our app is API method based, so we will not go with that. Mostly clients go with primary feed for running best practices ads, so it was just an extra information. I hope you have understood how to set up local inventory ads and what are its benefits. Pickup method and these things will not display over here. It is according to Google's design. We don't own its control, but the data has been sent to Google. Now when you will run ads, it will display the pickup method availability and sale prices. These things will be displayed then. These features are only provided in our app. No other apps on this feature. I hope you have got the idea that how can you create your local inventory product feed, and I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.